Hi everybody, it's Charles Harper, and I do want to talk about some of the bonuses we've been giving with both our product and with some of the other vendors that we've been promoting. And in some cases, what I've been doing is I've been giving you content that I have created, and then I will do what I call remaster it, and I will make it over using AI and then give you something that's a little more elaborate. And typically, when that is produced, you'll get an audio. That audio will have two voices that you've probably heard before. And so the easy thing to do would be to just put the audio in place. You can use it as a podcast or you can use it however you want. Uh, the better thing to do would be to take the transcript or to take the audio summary. Either one of those two things are things that you can take and you reuse and remake something with. Even if you were to take just those two documents, right? Let's say that you took my audio, the audio summary that I give you, and you take the transcript of the audio that I give you, and you put it in a platform like NotebookLM, and then you give the NotebookLM some instructions to make it over into something that would be niche specific. Again, the most valuable part of everything that we do, honestly, because of the recording that I'm doing, is typically going to be the transcript. The video is obviously valuable. What it does is save you time. But if you're looking to get more content, you really want to take the transcript and the audio summary because those are original things that you would have a difficult time reproducing because it really came from my own experience. It came from my own direction. So that is really what you want to take as most unique and most valuable and to remake it. But of course, the audio is perfectly fine to use. I mean, you can use that if you don't do anything else. I mean, you can use it as a bonus. You can use it as a podcast. Uh, I've seen some people turn it into a video. Now, if you're going to turn it into a video, there are ways to do that where the easiest way to do that would be, I think, to use something like VEED, where you just take the transcript and you make that a caption, and you put the captions on the screen and make them dynamic. And so when you do that, you can use whatever image that you want. The action part of the video will be the dynamic captions, right? If you just wanted to do video. But honestly, I would not necessarily use that as a video. I think it is perfectly fine and valuable as a audio. And so wherever you can put an audio, if you want to put it on your site and you want to draw people to maybe give that as your lead magnet, put people on your site and let them listen to that audio. Some people will value listening more so than they value reading. And I think I said that earlier last week that sometimes when you do a lead magnet, consider giving people audio or consider driving people to your site to listen to an audio. Now, what you can do is you can give them a word for word reproduction of what they're listening to. But in general, video does not require me to have to be on your site. It does not have to require me to sit at my computer, which may or may not be the best thing in terms of getting people to buy. But I think if you bring people to your site, put a buy button underneath the audio, and you really do have good information, people will come back to that audio and they'll see your link down there and they will engage with your link. So I just want to give you some insight. There's some ways that you can use a lot of this content. Again, the most flexible and the valuable part of what I deliver to you, in those bonuses is always going to be the transcript and it's always going to be the audio summary. So again, whether you use them together or whether you use them apart, either one of those two things will allow you to stretch the content and turn it into something else. If you are watching this on Friday, we have our membership business plan playbook. We do have a number of bonuses, and one in particular I placed in there for today, and that is how to improve as a marketer. And so I did one version for the essentials course on the front end, and another version for the upgrade. And so you'll get a chance to take that content. That's only going to be in there today. If you go to our bonus tracker page which is the plrshow.com / B excuse me, B tracker. You will not see that bonus on there. I did not put that one on there um, because excuse me, at the end of today or probably sometime in tomorrow, I'm going to take that out. It's a for today bonus, um, just for today. And so you can get everything at the plrshow.com / MBPB, and that's the membership playbook, and that's our new PLR, and it's going to be at the launch price until Monday, and I will have a new release on Tuesday, and I'll tell you all about that uh, um, probably on Saturday. I'll tell you all about what that's going to be. I will have the pages ready sometime tonight, and I'll also have new bonuses for membership playbook. And again, you can track those at theplrshow.com / B tracker. You can always see our bonuses for the week on that page. Okay, so thanks very much. Have a great day and a pleasant tomorrow. Take care.